Welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. If you're new here, my name is Shelly. If not, welcome back. Today is a quick video on how to remove your UV DTF. We have two separate ways, very simple, very quick, very easy. I have another video on the channel on how to apply. Today's video is how to remove. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. We have our UV DTF here, this Dallas Cowboy star, so it is in there. This here is our eco solvent stickers that we have. They're a little different than our UV DTF, so if you like to check those out, we do have a minimum on this, and this alcohol did get into the ink. So if you're looking for decals for a vehicle, I highly recommend our UV DTFs. So let's go ahead and get this removed. As you can see, well, not that end. As you can see, you can't really take it off. It is durable, it's weatherproof, waterproof, everything proof. See, so I'm trying to get it. So how do we remove it, Shelly? So this is a glass scraper, specifically for glass, not to scratch it. We have this, I think we got this off of Amazon. We'll link that in our description below. If you're interested, if you're doing a lot of decals, I highly recommend glass scrapers, or your retail store, like on your door, things like that, really come in handy to not damage your glass. So we're gonna go ahead.
That's the wrong one.
Oops. How can you tell what's the right way? Oh, the screw's up top. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just give it a good scraping. Ooh, easy breezy, lemon squeezy.
It's a stainless steel blade.
Stainless steel blade. That's why it doesn't scratch?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, don't hurt yourself.
So give it a little chip.
Please be very careful.
Very careful. Do not recommend children to do this. Please be supervised if you need a supervisor. So you just give it a good little chip away. That's not coming off. It's sticking to my blade.
And you see these windows are tinted and it doesn't affect the tint. Well,
Oh.
obviously it can't affect the tint because the tint is on the inside.
Mm-hmm. Kind of windy out here today.
Yeah,
but
it's not scratching the glass.
it's not damaging anything. Take it off. And this dries a little hard, so it's not like a sticker. It's a little tough. So that's why it's so durable. Give it a little peel. Wiggle around. This is really tough, so you would not be able to take this off with just your fingers.
No, not at all.
So there we have it. And we do have the adhesive left. I do recommend like Glue Gun, if you're familiar with that. We'll link that in the description as well, or whatever you use to take off any sticky backing or adhesive. But that has officially removed our UV DTF. So let's go ahead and head inside and see the other way we can remove it. The second way to remove your UV DTF is a appliance that we all have in our house, hopefully. It is a blow dryer. So with this removal, we're gonna use heat. If you do have a heat gun, those are a little bit more intense, or you can use a blow dryer. Either one will work. So we're gonna go ahead, and I have this UV DTF here on our mug. Here, nice and solidified in there. It's not coming off, can't peel it off, can't do any of these. So you can see that this squeegee is nice and hard. Like I said, it does dry hard and really cures on there. So we're gonna go ahead, take our blow dryer, high heat.
Three days later.
Oh, it's not on high. Put it on high. There it goes. Heat it up.
Fast forward through this.
Ready? nice and heated up. So it should be very melty, very hot, and it should peel right off. You getting a good shot of that?
Yeah, that's really good. And guys, if you do hot water, and we'll show, hot water is not going to make it come off.
No, this has to be high heat.
Yeah, we don't want you guys to think, oh man, if I wash it with hot water, it'll come off.
Yeah, look, it's starting to cool down. So these pieces are starting to want to stick back to the cup. So you have to do it really fast, or you have to just do it in sections. So there you have it, UV DTF removal. And again, to get all that adhesive and get all that sticky off, you would just use Goo Gone. They sell it at Walmart, Amazon, automotive spaces. So I'll put a link in the description, but our UV DTF is removed. We have our adhesive left. You could use alcohol, but that'll be a tough little job, but definitely recommend Goo Gone. If you make a mistake, here you go. Now we have our brand new mug, so we can reapply our UV DTF. So if you have any questions on how to remove, please comment down below, or you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. You can visit us online at flashcustomtransfers.com if you want to take advantage of our samples that we have right now that are $15 with free shipping. And this is UV DTF. We also have DTF samples if you're interested for $13 with free shipping. So again, how to remove UV DTF. We will see you guys next time. Bye.